beginner painting mistakes, and how to avoid these costly do-it-yourself errors like a pro.
Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. In this video, we're breaking down the most common beginner painting mistakes, and more importantly, how to avoid them. This is the same approach I've used on projects like garage makeovers and professional basement finishing projects, and also for high-quality full home upgrades. Now let's get started and do the job right the first time.
Most beginner painting jobs don't fail because of skill. They fail because of simple mistakes that cost time, money, and frustration. But here's the truth. After 40 plus years of do-it-yourself home improvement, I can tell you this: painting is one of the easiest projects to get right if you avoid these mistakes. Mistake number one, skipping surface prep. This is where most projects go wrong before they even begin. If the surface isn't clean, smooth, and repaired, the paint will never look right. It won't stick properly, and over time, it will peel. Here's what you should always do. Clean the surface, patch any holes or cracks, lightly sand rough areas. Prep is not optional, it's foundational. Mistake number two, using the wrong tools, cheap brushes, low quality rollers. These will leave streaks, lint, and uneven coverage. I learned early on, the right tools don't just make painting easier, they make it look professional. Use quality brushes for edges, rollers for large areas, extension, poles for control and reach. Mistake number three, skipping primer. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make, especially when painting over. Dark colors, stains, new drywall without primer. You'll get blotchy color, uneven coverage, and you'll end up using more paint trying to fix it. Primer is your foundation, never skip it. Mistake number five, ignoring painter's tape or using it wrong. This is what separates amateur work from professional results. If tape isn't applied correctly, paint will bleed, lines will look messy, and the entire project will suffer. Take your time with edges, that's where the quality shows. Mistake number six, not testing paint colors. What looks good in the store can look completely different in your home. Lighting changes everything. Always test your colors, check them in daylight and evening light. Don't commit until you're sure. Mistake number seven, rushing the job. This is the mistake that causes all the others. When I paint my do-it-yourself projects, I never rush. I take my time, do the prep, use the right tools, and the results speak for themselves. Good painting takes time, and time creates quality.
Painting isn't just about changing color. It's about transforming your space. If you avoid these beginner mistakes, you won't just paint, you'll elevate the entire room. You'll create something you're proud of. If this helped you, make sure to follow along for more. Subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement for more real DIY knowledge built from experience.
Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. Beginner painting mistakes and how to avoid these costly do-it-yourself errors like a pro. Follow at Conley's-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.